Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a article that I come across. I didn't even notice this stock going up today. Got this on my phone and decided to do a video about it and see who out there has this one. I believe I've talked about it once or twice on the channel. Talked about numerous EVs, but Walmart just ordered 4,500 electric cars from an EV company you've never heard of, sending its stock up over 57% today. So I thought it was kind of interesting. So again, Walmart ordered 4,500 fully electric vans as part of the retailer's push to expand its delivery network and achieve zero emissions by 2040. The retail giant's expansion of its fleet isn't quite news. It has been planning to upgrade in an environmentally conscious fashion for some time now, but what is Canoe, the Arkansas-based company that took the 4,500 vehicle order and will be making the lifestyle delivery vehicle a compact van expected to go into production in the fourth quarter of this year. Walmart employees will hit the road using the vans to deliver online orders in 2023, Canoe said in a statement on Tuesday. So sounds a lot like Amazon. So Walmart was sitting doing nothing while Amazon kind of boomeranged around them to a certain extent, and now they're playing catch up. So but competition's good, keep it cheap. So according to the statement, Walmart signed a definitive agreement to purchase at least 4,500 vehicles and holds the option to purchase up to 10,000 further down the road. Both companies declined to disclose what the deal cost, but the delivery variant of Canoe's lifestyle vehicle currently retails for $34,750 each. Option to purchase the additional EVs will be based on a number of factors, but right now we're focused on the 4,500. A Walmart spokesperson told Fortune today's news is a continuation of Walmart growing our last mile delivery fleet. We've also made agreements with Ford for 1,100 e-transits and GM's Bright Drop for 5,000 of their EVs. So cool news. I have a bunch of Ford and need to get some more GM, but both of them, well, they're down along with everything else, but I still have a decent return on them. So shares of Canoe jumped to roughly 70% following the announcement, and we're still up over 57% at the press time. Quite the boost for the company, which said just 2 months earlier it had a substantial doubt about having enough funding to stay in the business. None of Canoe's vehicles are currently available, according to the website, but is accepting pre-orders for several to be released later this year. And it also has a contract with NASA to provide all electric vehicles by 2023 for Artemis mission to return astronauts to the moon. So it's unclear how long Canoe's deal with Walmart has been in the works. Last year, Canoe announced plans to establish its headquarters in Bentonville, Arkansas, which that's very interesting, because that's also where Walmart is, just as we have here, birthplace. We're encouraged that being located in the close proximity to the Canoe headquarters, we have the advantage to collaborate and innovate in real time, as well as the opportunity to aid in the creation of manufacturing and technology jobs here in our home state of Arkansas. In recent years, Walmart has steadily grown its last mile delivery service to the point where it can now provide same-day delivery to 80% of the U.S. population, according to the statement. The CEO of Canoe called the U.S. retailer's reach an unmatched opportunity for growing EV demand, especially at today's gas prices, in a statement. So might be seeing more and more of this with the gas prices. the way they are. So yeah, I sold too early, but I did sell my gas stocks. I had Chevron. That's all that I have left. So but I felt at the time they weren't going to go up any further. I could have waited another month or two and made a little bit more money on them, but oh well. This is kind of funny. Brandon, the bicyclist electric vehicles have never-ready batteries when our electrical grid goes down. Unfortunately, donkeypox is destroying America. He's with it. By the Blue Party. Gotta love it. But anyway, just come across this article. If you have Canoe, go ahead and list that in the comments. If you have Ford or GM or even Walmart, you can list that in the comments as well. But just to look at Canoe, look at them over the last week. I know I've talked about them in the past. I mean, they have been on the way down. It's still a pretty cheap stock, so could have got in for $2.79 there back in May. Wow, $1.85, and this could still run up. It's just hard to say what this one's going to do. But $1.87, $1.84, and had a nice run up here on the 12th, so yesterday, and then just kind of ran down a little bit. Could run up some more. It could continue to go back to where it was. It's hard to say what's going to happen with this one. That would have been definitely the time to have gotten in on this one. Looks like it traded kind of flat, and then just about 240, 250-ish, just boom, overnight. So, but came down a little bit. Here's what it's done today, but was up, fell in the groove, went up a little bit. So this one's going to have some volatility, so it's hard to say what's going to happen with this stock. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. But again, they're an EV company. Modular electric platform, a purpose built to deliver maximum vehicle interior space and adaptable to support a wide range of vehicle applications for consumers and businesses. Founded in 2018, $905 million market cap, high today of $371, low of $326, 52-week high of $1335. It could hit that again. It doesn't look like it's going to. It's hard to say what it's going to happen this week. $1.75 just not too long ago. And it's got an average of 21.27, so not a tremendous amount of volume on this one. And this is something to keep in mind as well. And earnings on August 15th. So between this earnings and their next one, when they start getting orders out, if it happens in that quarter, the stock could run up again. We'll just have to wait and see. So what this one's going to do. But just wanted to do the video and see who out there has this one, and if there's any other EVs you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look at that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.